guys, welcome back to another video with legit Colleen. So today I want to show you guys something really cute on Canva. It's a new font I discovered, and if you watch my two previous videos, I use new fonts than usually, and this is a font I found on Canva. So I'm going to show you how to get to it. So you're going to go to Elements, and since I have this here, I'm going to tell you exactly what you can type. And I'm going to just type this into Elements. So I typed the title of it, Dreamy Chrome Letter J Type Sticker. So I'm going to erase this part and just put Dreamy Chrome Letter, see all. And this is where you're going to start to see them pop up. So then you're going to click on the three dots, just hover over one of the letters of the three dots and click View More by Rico. Then here you have the full array plus some little other cute icons like this lollipop and this heart I used over here, some flowers, you know, whatever else. If you want to just have these at your disposal without losing it and always having to search it up, just click three dots, then star, so that every time you can just refer to it when you need it. And here are the ones I've used recently, so it shows them right here. And graphics is where you can find some probably other similar ones to use. But that's all for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.